So turns out I was just kidding on the last video of thought I was done. But I'm not done with this unit because we are now going to take one last problem, two last problems, that we are going to convert something that's in like an 8 pints per minute to how many quarts per minute is that? And then we're going to be doing kind of the most common version of this is where you have something that's 60 miles per hour and you can convert it into feet per second. Most of the time, the types of problems that you have are feet per second, and then you're converting it into miles per hour. This one's just going the other way. So 8 pints per minute to quarts per minute. So what we need is a bunch of fractions kind of multiplied together to kind of convert from one thing to another. And this one will be a better example to really see all the pieces that go into this. So if you're going to go 8 pints per minute, we're just going to start off with 8 pints in 1 minute. Okay, so what we need is quarts per minute in the end. So we need to get rid of any pint measurement. Okay, so I'll put that on the bottom so my labels will cancel each other out. And I'm going to convert pints to quarts. So I have 2 pints is 1 quart. All right. So if I cancel pints, the labels work out great. I'm left with quarts on the top, which is what I want, and minutes on the bottom, which is what I want. So that's it. So then I'm going to multiply this stuff together, but I see that I can, well, we'll just multiply it together. So we got 8 quarts, so because it's 8 times 1. So it's 8 quarts, and then 1 minute, but 1 times 2 is 2 minutes. So I can simplify that. I can take a 2 out of both of those. So that turns into 4 quarts per 1 minute per minute. Okay. All right. Now this one's going to be definitely a better example because there's going to be a lot more to it. So we initially start with 60 miles per hour. So in 1 hour. All right, so I have to convert miles to feet and I have to convert hours to seconds. Does not matter the order that you're going to do this. You're going to do a whole bunch of different fractions, and eventually we're going to be canceling out all the labels, and the ones that we have left are going to be feet and seconds. So let's say we do the miles. Okay, so I'm going to put a mile measurement here. I'm going to put a feet measurement here because I know that 1 foot is 5280 feet. Denver, the Mile High City. So miles will cancel with miles. Perfect. So the top has feet, which is exactly what we want. We want the bottom to be seconds. So now I need to convert something that's in hours to, let's say, minutes, because I'm familiar with that. So 1 hour is 60 minutes, and the hour measurements would cancel each other away. And then I have minutes that I'm going to convert to seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. That label will cancel that label. So this is what I got left. So I can do a little bit of simplifying, but I'm not going to go crazy on this. I'm going to let the calculator do a lot of it. But I do have a 60 on the bottom that can just cancel with the 60 on the top. So I'm looking at 5,280 feet in 60 seconds. I don't know what that is. I'm going to let the calculator do that math for me. I probably need to add another 0 because it's 5,280. So 5280, turn it on, 5280 divided by 60. That gets me 88. So it's 88 feet per second. And that is how I convert that. All right, that's it.